Namaste class. Today we are going to discuss surface area of cone. Okay, so first of all, let us see how the cone looks like. When we have seen cone while we are going on ice cream shop. Okay, there we generally take ice cream in cone, or you can see the cap of jokers in circus. It is in this particular shape, and this is called cone. Now, if you see the cone, or when I say that, if you see the solid cone you can see as a toy. In case of solid cone, it is completely filled with the material, and you will find one circular area at the top or at the bottom, and then the remaining area is a conical form. So this part is curved and this part is flat. This is flat surface area and this is curved surface area, and if we add both of them we will get total surface area. Now, as in this exercise 13.3 we are going to talk about curved surface area, only surface area. So let us understand. This flat surface area is pi r square, and it is circular in shape, and this curved surface area is pi r l. Now length this length is called slant height. This length is called slant height. This is called height. Okay, so this is height, this is radius, this is slant height. Now, here we have curved surface area, which is pi r l, and total surface area, this is pi r l plus pi r square. So you can take pi r common and in bracket l plus r. This is total surface area. L we can find using the Pythagoras theorem, that is r square plus h square. So L is equals to root of r square plus h square is the formula to get the total surface area. Now, let us solve problems based on this. First question: diameter of the base of cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find the curved surface area. So, diameter of the base means here diameter of the base is given 10.5 centimeter and slant height L is given 10 centimeter, and it is asked to find curved surface area. So I denote it with SC. C stands for curved, S for surface area. So curved surface area, that is question mark. Now diameter is given, so we can find radius. Radius is diameter divided by 2, that is 10.5 divided by 2 centimeter. Okay, it is not necessary that you calculate and find its final value. Maybe during calculation it will help to write in this form 10.5 divided by 2. Okay, so let us see curved surface area SC. The formula is pi r l. The value of pi, if nothing is mentioned, we will use 22 divided by 7 into r. Radius is 10.5 divided by 2 into pi r into l. L is given 10. Okay, so now let us see. With 7 I can cancel 7 1 the 7, then decimal, and 3 is remaining, so 35, 7 5 are 35. And here this 2 I can cancel, this 22 I will get 11. So ultimately I have 11 into 1.5 into 10, so that is 15. Now 11 into 15 is 165. So 165. Now what is unit? Unit is centimeter. So here curved surface area is centimeter square. So 165 centimeter square is your answer. Find the total surface area of the cone if its slant height is 21 meter. Now L is given 21 meter, unit is in meter, and diameter of its base, again diameter is given, D is equals to 24 meter. We have find total surface area. So again diameter is given. So from diameter I can find radius. Now here radius is 12 meter. It is not necessary, means no use to write 24 divided by 2. It is half of that, 12 meter. So find the total surface area. Now total surface area ST I have to calculate. We know the formula for total surface area. It is pi r n bracket L plus r. So let us put the value 22 divided by 7 into r is 12 into L is 21 plus r is 12. So this is 22 divided by 7 into 12 into here 2 plus 1 3 and 2 plus 1 3, so 33. So 22 into 12 into 33. Now we cannot cancel any number by 7. So first I will multiply all the terms which are in numerator, that is 22, 12 and 33. So you can multiply. We will multiply and we will get here let me use calculator, but you are not supposed to use the calculator. Into 12 into 33, that gives me 8712, and then I will divide this by 7. So divide by 7, I will get 1244.57, 1244.57 meter square. Okay, now here some students, what they do, they divide 22 by 7 and they will get answers such as 3.14 something, but they will take two decimals and they stop at 3.14. Now if you do like that, then what answer you will get? You will get answer like 3.14 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 33, and that will be 1243.44. So 1243.44 this answer and 1244.57, you can see the difference. Okay, why this difference arises? So one simple reason is that we have used 3.14 and in reality the value is something different from 3.14. Okay, so when you use 3.14 at the initial stage, what happens in calculation? Okay, as you are not considering other digits, your answer is not near to the correct answer. Actually, this answer is also not correct. It is approximate one, 1244.57. Actually, the value is 1244.57 and something. But we have taken 1244.57. This is more close to the correct value rather than 1243.44. So whenever you are dividing, means it is not possible to divide, you are getting recurring numbers. So in that case, first you multiply all the numerator part and then divide by the denominator. Okay, so you have understood why I have divided by 7 at last, not in the beginning. Now let us see this third question. Curved surface area of cone is 308 centimeter square and its slant height is 14 centimeter. Find radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. So curved surface area. Curved surface area means pi RL. So pi RL. I will write pi RL is 308 and L is 14. We have to find radius. Now pi RL is 308. So I will say pi RL is 308. Therefore 22 divided by 7 into R into 14 is equals to 308. Now 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. So R is equals to 308 divided by 22 multiplied by 2. So with 11 I can cancel. 8 plus 3 is 11, so it is divisible by 11. 11 2s are 22, and here 11 2s are 22, 11 8s are 88, then 4 7s are 28. So your radius is 7. Now we got the radius of the base, which is 7. Then total surface area of the cone. Now total surface area Total surface area. Total surface area is curved surface area plus flat surface area. Now here I am not using pi r in bracket L plus r. One reason for that is that the value of pi r L 308 already I know. So here this pi r L is 308 plus here it is 22 divided by 7 into r square, that is 7 into 7. So this 7 cancels and we have 308 plus 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14, 115, 8 plus 4, 12, 5 plus 1, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, 462 meter square. This is my total surface area. A conical tent is 10 meter high. Now conical tent, height of the conical tent is given 10 meter. That is h is given 10 meter. And the radius of base is given 24 meter. We have to find slant height, that is slant height question mark. Cost of the canvas required to make the tent. If the cost is 1 meter square, canvas is rupees 70. So that I will say rate is given. Rate is rupees 70 per meter square. Okay, so a conical tent. Now when you make a conical tent, you require only curved surface area. The ground is not covered by the tent. The slant height of the tent we have to first calculate, and then curved surface area, and then we multiply by rate and we will find total cost. Okay, so let us proceed in steps. First we have to find L. So formula for L is equals to root of h square plus r square. So this will be square root of h is 10 square plus 24 square. Now this 10 and 24, I can take 2 common. 2 5s are 10. So in square root we have 2 square, I will take common. So here we have 5 square plus 12 square. Okay, so this 2 I will take out. Now 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144, and I will get 2 into this is 4 plus 5 9, 4 plus 2 6, 169. So this is 2 into 13. So 2 into 13 is 26. 26 meter is slant height. Now curved surface area SC, curved surface area is pi RL is equals to 22 upon 7 into radius is 24 into length is 26. So pi RL. Okay. Now here, if you see the rate is rupees 70. Again, I cannot cancel any term in the numerator by 7, but surely I can cancel this 70 by 7. So this is my curved surface area. I will say that this is curved surface area in meter square, and then I will say the cost is equals to curved surface area multiplied by rate is equals to 22 divided by 7 into 24 into 26 into 70. Now with 7, I will cancel this 70, I will get 10, and then I have to multiply this 22 by 24 into 26 into 2. 22 into 24 into 26 into 10. It is 137 to 80. Rupees 137 to 80. So 1,37,000 to 80 rupees is the total cost of tent. Now fifth question. What length of a tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make a conical tent of height 8 meter and the base radius 6 meter? Assume that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching, margin and wastage and cutting is approximately 20 centimeter. Use pi is equals to 3.14. Now what length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide? Generally you see, whenever you go to cloth shops, okay, they have a ruler of cloth in which it has got certain width. So here like we have 3 meter width, and in length I can get any length. Okay, like this. So length, there is no limit. Okay, whatever you ask, they will provide. So here in our case also, I have to find the total length of the tarpaulin wire, tarpaulin cloth. Now, one more thing is given, that the extra length of material that will be required for stitching margins and wastage in cutting is approximately 20 centimeters. So, this last part, this 20 centimeter, is for stitching and other wastage. So, this much is the length which I actually need. Okay, and this extra for margin. Okay, so I have to find this length plus this 20 centimeter will give me total length. So what length of tarpaulin? Okay, fine. What length of tarpaulin is required? Fine. So we understood. Okay, what we have to find out now. The length of the tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make the conical tent of height 8 meters. So height h is given. Height is 8 meter, and the base radius r is given 6 meter, and find. So tarpaulin again, this will be in the form of curved surface area. We need not have to find the base area. So first I will calculate length. Length will be root of h square plus r square, that is root of 8 8 is 64 plus 6 6 is 36, that is root of 100, that is 10. So 10 meter is the slant height. Now curved surface area SC is pi RL, which is 22 divided by 7 into radius is 6 into slant height is 10. So this is curved surface area. Now we have got curved surface area. What is the length of tarpaulin required to make the conical tent? Again, tent we are making, no? Fine. So this is my curved surface area, and as I am using a 3 meter wide, okay, cloth, so therefore length, I will say that length used in making, length used, not length used, I will say length required, length required for tent is equals to, this much is total area, 22 into 6 into 10 divided by 7. I will divide this by 3 because my width is 3 meter. The width is 3 meters, so I will divide by 3. So I will get length, so 3 1s are 3 to the 6. So it is 22 into 2 into 10 divided by 7. Now here we have no choice but to divide. 22 to the 44. So this is 440 divided by 7. Now we will divide by 7. 7 5 are 35. 7 6 are 42. Okay, 7 6 are 42 to 20. 27 to the 14. 14 6. 7 8 the 56. Okay, 440. 7 5 the 35. So 68.8, I will say, or 68.85, okay, meter is the length required. Now wastage in stitching, wastage in stitching and cutting, stitching and cutting. Wastage in stitching and cutting is 20 centimeter. Therefore, total length used. Total length used is 62.85 plus 0.2. This I will convert in meter while using. As this 62.85 is in meter, I will get this 5, 8 plus 2, 10, and then this is 63. So 63.5 meter is the total length used for making the tent. I hope you understand. Yes, how we calculate the length. Length into breadth will give me total area, and total area I require this much area only, which is the curved surface area. So from that we find first length and then we add this 20 centimeter margin to it. Now sixth question is the slant height and the base diameter of the conical tomb are 25. So slant height L is 25 meter and base diameter is 14 meter. So from here I will get radius as 7 meter. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. So rate is rupees 210 per 100 meter square. Okay, so that is we will divide by 100 and we will get 2.1 rupees 2.1 per meter square. Fine. So sometime it may require to change rate also. The slant height of the base diameter of the conical tomb is this. So again here we require the curved surface area and then that area we will multiply by 2.1. So here SC is pi RL, that is 22 divided by 7 into R is 7 into length is 25. So this 7 will cancel, easy to calculate. So calculate it. Then 25 into 22. So 25 to the 50. So I can write this as 11 into 50 also. 11 5 is 55. So this is 550. Have you understood what I done? I consider this 22 as 2 into 11 and then 11 I write here and that 2 I multiply by 25 to get 50. So as more and more zeros I will get at the end, the calculation will be simpler and simpler. So 11 into 5 is 55 and then into 10 will give me 550. 550 is the curved surface area. Now the total cost, therefore cost of whitewashing, therefore I will say that cost of whitewashing. Cost of whitewashing. Do you know what is whitewashing? It is similar like painting the wall. Okay, we use calcium oxide. Okay, for painting. That is whitewashing. So for cost of whitewashing is this curved surface area, that is 550 multiplied by rate, which is 2.1. So 550 into 2.1 will give me the answer. So 550 multiplied by 2.1 is 1155. So rupees 1155 is my total cost of whitewashing. A joker's cap is in the form of right circular cone of the base radius. So radius is 7 centimeter and height is 24 centimeter. Find the area of sheet required to make 10 such caps. So number of caps is 10. First I will find area required for one cap. So area required for one cap is equals to pi RL. Therefore, area required for 10 cap, area required for 10 cap is equals to 10 into pi RL. So this will give me 10 into pi is 22 divided by 7 pi R into R radius is 7 into L is 24. So this 7 will cancel. So 10 into 22 into 24. So this 22 into 24 you can calculate like 10 into 24 for the 88. So you write 8 carry 22 to the 44 plus 8, so 44 plus 650 and 52. So this is 5280. This is the area required for the cap. Now everything is in centimeters, so 5280 centimeters square. Last question. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cone made up of recycled cardboard. So for barrication, we are using a cone. Okay, made up of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter 40. So for each cone, we have base diameter. Diameter is given 40 centimeter. So from here, you can calculate radius, which is 20 centimeter, and height is 1 meter. So this 20 centimeter, better I will convert in meter, which is 0.2 meter. Then I have height is given. Height is 1 meter. If the outer side of each cone is to be painted and the cost of painting, so rate is given rupees 12 per meter square. Rate is rupees 12 per meter square. The rate is rupees 12 per meter square. What will be the cost of painting all these cones? So I have to find total cost. So total cost is a question mark. Total cost is a question mark. Value of pi is given 3.14 and value of 1.04 is given 1.02. Okay, so diameter is given, radius is given, height is given, rate is given, total cost we need to find, the value of pi is given. So what we do, first we will find cost of one tent, and obviously n is given. N means how many cones are there? 50. Okay, so curved surface area SC is pi RL. The value of L is not there. So first calculate the value of L, which is root of h square plus r square. That is root of h square is 1 square plus 0.2 square. So this is root of 1.04 and this is 1.02. So 1.02 is given. 1.02. Let us check 1.02. Yes, 1.02 is given. So here pi RL, it is 22 divided by 7 into radius is 0.2 into this slant height is 1.02. Now again nothing is cancelling, so I will wait till end. Now I will say that therefore this is curved surface area, therefore total area of cone is 50 into 22 divided by 7 into 0.2 into 1.02. This is the total area of the cone. Therefore total cost is, now for 1 meter square I am costing 12 rupees. So for 50 into 22 divided by 7 into 0.2 into 1.02, the total cost will be 12 into 50 into 22 divided by 7 into 0.2 into 1.02. Now again nothing is cancelling. Actually in such kind of problems, the value of pi, yes here, right, the value of pi they have given 3.14. So generally they mention what value of pi we should use. So in place of this 22 divided by 7, we are going to use 3.14. So this is 3.14. In place of 22 divided by 7, we are using 3.14. So here it is 50 into 3.14. So this is 3.14. So when I calculate 12 into 50 into, so here 12 into 50 into 3.14 into 0.2 into 1.02. The value is 384.336. 384 value is 384.336 meter square. This is my total cost. Total cost is 384.336 meter square. Total cost, sorry, not meter square. Now we are finding, so it is in rupees. So this is approximately 384 rupees. Okay. So this is total cost. Okay. So the problem here is very simple. Okay. You have to understand, okay, logically you have to understand in your mind what is the shape, okay, what you require and what formula you have to use. And then you have to just multiply it, calculate. So the topic is very, very simple. Only understand the problem. Okay. You need to understand the problem. Then rest all is to apply the formula only. Thank you for being with me in this class. In the next class, we will see surface area of spheres.